Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to download Android apps in PC. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your browser and you want to search LD Player. Go ahead to your browser and search LD Player and click search, and you are going to click on the first link that shows up. And what LD Player is a Android emulator. LD Player is an Android emulator, and we are just going to download LD Player. You can download LD Player 9 or LD Player 4 depending on the version and the processing power of your PC. So I'm just going to click LD Player, and my download has started. And once your setup has been downloaded, you go ahead, you click on the setup and you install LD Player. You follow the process of installation. It will take a few minutes to install, and it will take an extra few minutes to download additional content, about 600 MB. It's not that big, and you will be able to use LD Player. And once it has been installed, you can go ahead and launch it, and it should look something like this. And once you have launched your LD Player, you can go ahead to the App Store of your emulator, and you can use the Android App Store to download the apps that you want to use, including games and social media platforms that maybe only work in Android. So you click on Play Store and you let it load. And after you have opened Play Store for the first time, the next thing you need to do is sign in. And you sign in with an with an email account. And after I sign in, I can use my Play Store to download any apps that I want to use. So you can go ahead, you can find apps that you want to download. I have downloaded Hill Climb Racing, as you can see, and I'm going to launch it just to show you how you can use the emulator in your PC. It is simple and it is fast. All you have to do is to download an Android emulator, and you should be able to use Android apps in PC. And as you can see, I can play this game just as normally as I would play it in an Android phone. It is easy to use. It is fun. I've just fast forwarded it so that the loading process does not take a lot of time. And that is just about it, guys. All you have to do is download an Android emulator in your PC. And that is it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.